Setting up multi-step forms with Zapier and Webhooks is a powerful way to automate your workflows and save time. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end, you'll have a fully automated form process running with ease. Stick around because I've got a great tip for you that will make the process even smoother. Let's start by creating a new Zap in Zapier. In this case, we'll use a form tool like Typeform or Google Forms, but this method works with most form builders. We're going to trigger an action in Zapier when a new form submission is made. The first step is to choose the form tool you're using as the trigger app. Select the specific form that will kick off the automation. Next, you'll set up the webhook. In your Zapier dashboard, choose Webhooks by Zapier and then select the Catch Hook option. This will generate a unique URL. You'll need to copy that and head over to your form tool to paste it into the webhook integration section. This essentially links your form submission to Zapier, which is the first part of the multi-step process. Now that you have the webhook connected, let's set up the next action. For this example, let's say you want to send the form data to a CRM system like HubSpot or Salesforce or even a Google Sheet. In Zapier, choose your next app like Google Sheets and then select the action you want like Create Spreadsheet Row. You'll map the fields from your form submission to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. The beauty of multi-step forms with Zapier is that you can add as many steps as you need. Let's add a final action like sending a confirmation email or notification to the user who filled out the form. You can choose an email tool like Gmail or any other service and configure the email content. Once everything is set up, make sure to test your Zap to ensure that all the steps are working correctly. If all goes well, your automation will be live, saving you time on manual data entry and improving your workflow efficiency. If you want to follow along and create multi-step forms with Zapier and Webhooks, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This software is incredibly easy to use and will help you automate more tasks effortlessly. And it's only available for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that Zapier's multi-step workflows allow you to link various services together seamlessly, saving you time and reducing manual effort. We went over the basics, setting up the webhook, adding multiple actions, and testing the automation. Remember, this process is highly customizable based on your needs, and you can connect dozens of apps in a single workflow. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free trial from the description below to start automating your forms today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.